Guys, welcome to my channel called Nanotech. This is Dell Inspiron 5000 series laptop. Is Inspiron. So guys, this laptop is problem when you power on but no display light. You can see here no display light. So first have to check what is the problem and I try to fix it. So you have to remove all this screw here. You need a star screwdriver and you have to remove all the screw. So first I remove screw. Okay, guys, remove the CD drive. And here you have also 3 screw. This one more. See guys, backward open. Just disconnect this USB and check. Disconnect the display connection. Remove RAM. Change the RAM slot. And see guys, this display is working. So again I check what is the problem. So it is working guys, you can see.